Right, so today I'll be showing you how to pair your JBL Boombox 4 to your Windows PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is just turn on the speaker, okay? And when it's on, press on this Bluetooth icon, and that's gonna put the speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, with the speaker in Bluetooth pairing mode, you wanna go to the Bluetooth settings of your Windows computer. So just go to the Start button, click on that, and then go to Settings. Under Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices, and then click on Add Device, and then select Bluetooth at the top there. And now it's gonna start scanning for Bluetooth devices to connect to. So what you need to do is scroll and find the device you want to connect to. So mine is the JBL Boombox 4. I'm gonna try and see it. There you go. So there it is. I'm gonna click on it and it's gonna attempt to connect, and now it's connected. You'll see the light at the top here stops blinking and it says connect. So now you can click on done and you're good to go. Now, one more thing you can do, you can go to the bottom and click on the sound settings icon, and then click on this arrow and make sure the sound output device is set to your JBL Boombox 4, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck.